According to Bellarmine faculty, diversity has improved over the years.
I can remember when I first started teaching at Bellarmine, like I said, that was probably about 2005, 2006. When you look at statistics, I think we were like 95% white.
Mm-hmm.
And that has significantly changed. We were also very small percentage of first generation.
Mm-hmm.
So the idea of diversity, I mean, even just looking at my classrooms, I can see a difference, which I think adds a lot of value to diversity.
I say so. When I first started here, I know even racially it was like 19%, and we're rolling at about 33% right now. So I mean, it's been a big jump. But even in terms of queer students, you're seeing an uptick in students that are queer. International students, I've definitely seen more international students. Now, it was a pause with the pandemic, of course, but you're seeing more international students, and they're looking for places to engage with all different kinds of people and whatnot. We have partnerships that we work in with the veteran students, so we make sure we have our military presence or whatnot. So, I mean, you're definitely seeing an uptick in all different kinds of students or whatnot. And so we try to touch base with like accessibility resource. So we're dealing with students that are navigating disabilities, because a lot of the students that we have in this space may be a student of color and first generation and navigating a disability. So it's like we need to be working intersectionally to make sure we're having those conversations.
All right. Even with the increase in diversity over the past years, Bellarmine is still taking the initiative.
I know as a school working on different projects with various alumni, looking at funding opportunities, scholarship opportunities, way to not just diversify, I think, the School of Business of Bellarmine, but to diversify these financial professions.
I know so I sit on committee with enrollment management, and so does the chief diversity officer here. And so we work in partnership with Dr. Mike Marshall and the enrollment management team to kind of make sure we're getting connected to the community, to different scholarship programs. So that could be like Adelante that does Latin, our Latin students. So they have a scholarship program. Working with like Cabbage Patch or other community entities that have like pipelines, and building those pipelines together to certain populations. So we work in tandem with them, but then also just having conversations on how can we better educate and everything on different topics. So, working with external partners to do that as well.